Our next guest was inspired to start a foundation that would cater to the children with special needs. His dream became a reality when he created the Kicks for Kids Foundation. I'm speaking about none other than the founder of Kicks for Kids, Khalil Monroe. Morning. Welcome to Jamaica.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Khalil, what inspired you to start Kicks for Kids?
Well, I could give you the long version or I could give you the short version.
At the time.
Well, it started when my grandmother died.
Yes.
And my mother wanted to get back in touch with her Catholicism. So we decided to start volunteering at Missionaries of the Poor. They have a hostel up in the hills. We went up there and then they said there's a home at the facility. We were told of stories, horrific stories really, about the treatment of the children. I made up my mind, my mother and myself, that we were going to try our best to help them as much as we could. Yeah. So that was in 2012.
So they rescue the kids?
Basically.
They rescue the kids.
Father Holong is a man of his word.
Yes.
He doesn't believe in certain things, and he also offers a place for persons who would have otherwise gone other means. Yes. So he backs up his word. So I respect him for that.
So we're talking about the Beatitudes home.
Yes.
So how has the foundation been assisting the home over the years?
Well, we assist them with whatever they need. So if they say to us, we need a pound of rice, a pound of flour, we go out and raise money to give them the things that they need.
Okay. So you want to do a football match?
Well, we had a football tournament on the 29th of June.
Okay.
Yes, so that raised substantial funds. We're still a little short of what we wanted to achieve, of the goals we set out, but we have a great platform going
So tell me,
forward.
how does a football match work? How does a tournament work? So the next time people hear about it, they know how to participate and how to support.
Well, it's a knockout football tournament.
Oh, okay.
We had 11 teams this year. It was a fairly successful tournament. It was very hot though, as you can imagine.
Where did you have it, and where were the teams from?
They were from all over. Anyone who wanted to participate, we sent out an ad on IG, we sent out an ad on Facebook, social media ads, and whoever wanted to participate was free to do so.
And so you had the tournament and the proceeds from it went towards helping the kids?
Yes. Well, we haven't done a formal handing over yet, but the proceeds will buy 6 wheelchairs and how many beds we wanted again? 6. 6. Yeah.
So is this the Kicks for Kids? Do you continuously do fundraising, or do you have an annual event, which was a football, and then?
Well, we have an annual event, which is our main fundraiser, but we do fundraising throughout the year.
You do fundraising throughout the year. All right. So anybody who wants to support Kicks for Kids or to be in touch with you, how do they do that?
Well, we're on basically all social media. We're on Facebook. Just search for Kicks for Kids Foundation. We're on IG at Kicks for Kids Jamaica, JA. And we're on Twitter at the same handle.
All right. And is it a foundation that if someone's watching and they want to be a part of the movement, they want to be a part of the foundation, they can call you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, call, message, and we'll be in touch with you.
And you'll be in touch with them.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Khalil. Before you
Thank
go,
you.
what would you say to anyone who's watching about supporting people like Missionaries of the Poor and the way they assist children who are vulnerable and children who are in need?
It is gratifying. It is important to be a person who gives of yourself and gives to institutions that are bigger than yourself. It's not all about I. Right. Sometimes you have to look and say how you can help another person, because at the end of the day, we are our brother's keeper. Right. So it is in our best interest, I believe, to help others and to try and be as empathetic as possible.
All right. Awesome.
Yes. All right.
Thank you so much for joining us. That's founder of Kicks for Kids Foundation, Khalil Monroe. Coming up next, we hear about one woman's mission to reinforce our Black identity through photography. Stay with us. Smile Jamaica continues after this.